Hey guys, welcome back to Mind, Body and Balance. Are you making these common mistakes when taking magnesium? This tiny mineral plays a massive role in your health, but most people get it wrong. And that can cost you your energy, sleep and even heart health. We'll cover the best types of magnesium, how to optimize absorption and the common pitfalls to avoid. So grab a glass of water, make sure it's got electrolytes, and let's dive in. Let's talk about magnesium, the unsung hero of your body. This essential mineral is like the behind-the-scenes crew for a massive production. We're talking over 300 vital processes. Guys, from regulating your blood pressure and keeping your heart rhythm steady to calming your nerves and fighting off fatigue, magnesium is involved. It helps your muscles relax, easing those annoying leg cramps and tension headaches. Plus, it's a secret weapon for better sleep. But here's the kicker. Testing for magnesium deficiency is nearly impossible. Only about 1% of your body's magnesium hangs out in your blood. Now, you might be wondering, if magnesium is so important, why are so many people deficient? Well, there are a few sneaky culprits. First up, our modern diet. Processed foods, refined sugar, and those tempting sugary drinks. They're practically devoid of magnesium. Then there's stress. The silent killer. When you're stressed, your body burns through magnesium like crazy. And let's not forget about low stomach acid, a common problem that hinders magnesium absorption. Common medications like antibiotics, diuretics, and even those little antacids can interfere with your body's ability to absorb and utilize magnesium. If your vitamin D levels are low, your body struggles to use magnesium effectively. So how do you make sure you're getting enough of this miracle mineral? Well, first, let's talk about the best way to take magnesium. There are a ton of different forms out there, but not all magnesium is created equal. If you want the most bang for your buck, go for magnesium glycinate. It's a rock star when it comes to absorption, plus it's known for its calming effects, making it a fantastic choice for sleep and anxiety. Don't take your entire dose at once. Instead, split it up throughout the day. Pair your magnesium with apple cider vinegar. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps your stomach break down the magnesium, making it easier for your body to absorb. Now, I know what you're thinking. When will I start feeling amazing? Well, here's the thing about magnesium. It's not a quick fix. It's more like a long-term investment in your health. For some issues, like those pesky leg cramps, you might notice a difference within days. But for deeper, more systemic problems like arrhythmias, insomnia or anxiety, it can take weeks or even months to experience the full benefits. The key is consistency. Think of it like watering a plant. It takes time, patience and consistent care for the plant to thrive. Magnesium is the same way. Now let's talk about some common pitfalls to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people giving up on magnesium too soon. They don't feel an immediate change, so they toss the bottle aside. Remember guys, consistency is key. Another mistake is focusing solely on supplementation and neglecting the root causes of deficiency. Sure, taking magnesium is important, but it's equally crucial to address the factors that led to the deficiency in the first place. That means cleaning up your diet, ditching the processed junk, and loading up on magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and dark chocolate. Managing stress is also crucial. Find healthy coping mechanisms that work for you, whether it's meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. All right, guys, let's put it all together and create an action plan to optimize your magnesium levels. First things first, aim for 800 to 1600 milligrams of elemental magnesium per day, but remember, spread it out. Don't take it all at once. Pair your magnesium supplement with a healthy diet full of those magnesium-rich foods we talked about. And don't forget about vitamin D. These two work synergistically, so make sure you're getting enough of both. If you're dealing with low stomach acid, consider adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water before meals. This can help improve digestion and absorption. Be patient, be consistent, and listen to your body. So there you have it, guys. The truth about magnesium and how to unlock its incredible health benefits. Ready to take charge of your health? Make these changes today and see the magic of magnesium at work. Start by incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your diet, find a high-quality supplement, and address any underlying deficiencies. If you're curious about how magnesium can transform your life, check out this next video. We dive even deeper into its amazing benefits. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.